it's up today. I'm going to be doing another video. Woo-hoo! Anyway, so yeah. Today, I got another squishy. Yay. But first, let's open my kind of that. So yeah. If you guys don't want to see this, then skip ahead. I don't care. But I would advise you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Oh, it's a teddy bear. So cute. Ow. Oh, good. Anyways, let's get to the squishies. May I have a squishy? Thank you. I kind of opened it. But anyways. ASMR time. Okay, that part's hard to open. Love you more. Put the trash aside. Deal with that later. Oh my God, it's so soft. And her name is Ginger. The reason why I know it's a girl is because of her eyelashes. It's the only reason my mom likes her. It's my mom's birthday, so comment down below. Happy birthday to my mom. And that would mean so much support to me and my mom, and she would love it. And I'll film her reaction to you guys commenting you, or, you know, her birthday. Okay. Anyways, that's kind of all I wanted to film. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. I'll try to do like 3 videos today. One for Whisper Challenge Part 2, this one, and the ASMR thing. That will be coming up right now. So, hope you guys enjoy this short but long video. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and make sure to share this video. Love you guys. Remember to stay positive. Love you. Mwah.